I'm a creep. Lady bought some butter, but the butter was better, so she bought a bit of better butter. Now we're getting there. Wednesday, October 14. Welcome to lunch break. Not a good day. I still made the $200 this morning, and with American Airlines, I almost got into DraftKings. Almost made the biggest mistake of the day or of the week. Let's look into what's going on now. Yeah, I'll show you my bet. By the way, it is real money, eh? Since yesterday, I'm betting my own money, so it's not fake, it is real. So whenever I made a mistake, I'll pay the price. Okay, the first one, look at DraftKings. I'll explain what I've almost done wrong with DraftKings. But the first one that I got into right away from the start, 931, I just bought it at 12:31, right at the beginning, right here, 9:30 in the morning. I said, you know what? I was looking into pre-market and what's the other name, Delta, and with 50,000, I could have bought at that price 4,000 shares. Yeah. So what I've done yesterday to get some money, Disney, I paid $124 and I sold it to $130. So I got 50,000. I put it right away in the morning. American Airlines. My goal, of course, my goal is always to make $500 per day. So yesterday I've made 746. Today I'm up 200. And so I needed to 1231 times 4,000. That means I needed about 15 cents to make my day. It stopped at 1242 right here, 1242. I said, you know what? I need 1245. So it went back down. It stayed there. Went back up again. Another plateau, 1240. Went back down again. Hit another plateau, 1242, was not enough. And on the way down, I just sold it for 1236. So I've made $200. And because it was keep hitting the same plateau over and over again, it could not beat 1242. It reached 1246, but I was already out here. I had enough. And now it's back to 1237. So you see, when you hit 2 or 3 plateau, get out, okay? There's no clear direction, and it's still a pretty big bet because airline company doesn't have any clue where the money will come from. So it was just a quick get in and get out, that's it. So at exactly 10:01, I got in. Why I got out? Especially because I wanted to get in DraftKings. I did not get into DraftKings, and I was pretty lucky. Look at 10:01. 10:01. Right here. Exactly. Where's 10:01? 10:01. Boom. Price 50.50. Why I wanted to get in? Let's increase now. It was on its way down, coming back up the RSI. This was crossing, and I thought it was the signal that I was looking for. This was going back up. Everything pointed to make it back. I would have bought, of course, 1,000 share at $50. So my goal is 500. I already made $200. So my goal would have been 1,000 share. I didn't need that much, 30 cents increase. And with that type of stock, it's feasible. I did not bought it because one of the things that because I did not understand what was going on. So I look at stock twits, an application stock twits where people exchange. And the biggest reason why DraftKings is going down is for that reason. Florida Gators stopped football activities after coronavirus outbreak. DraftKings is in the bet business. So of course, if players are not playing, that may affect the rest of the betting season. So that may affect DraftKings. So I did not got in because I read that. There's also 5 directors that are supposed to cash in this week, and there's a new kind of IPO due on Friday. So there's not good news. And not only that, the market is going down. So everything is pointing to the wrong direction right now with DraftKings. I still believe that this stock should be 55. In fact, all the analysts bet it will be 65. So there's no panic. Even though I would have bought it, I would have missed a couple of days of trading, but it will go back. In fact, the price should be around this based on the VWAP. The VWAP says the price should be $50. It is 48. Is it panic selling? We don't know, but I almost made it. And in fact, right here, again, it's crossing. So it was 14 and 49. And we should have expected. In fact, it went back up 50 cents. That would have been okay here. Boom. $500 would have been made easily at 10:34, 10:31 within 40 minutes. But I decided there's too much uncertainty to get in. What else? The trend is trading back up to $1. We're in selling mode right now. We started the day very nice. What else is going on? Canopy growth. Again, there's still, it is trending. Look, the money flow is going into the right direction. Canopy could be a good buy right now as soon as the market comes back. So before investing into Canopy for making a quick buck, I would look at where the market is going now, which is no clear direction. Someone just mentioned to me that stock. I don't know that stock, but what? Look at the nice, at the beginning, 211 to 5. I don't like those stocks. Okay, I just don't like those stocks because it's so dangerous. It closed down yesterday at 118, went up to 5, and people likes to brag about those stocks. I bought that stock, I made some money. Yeah, probably not that many people made some money here. Most of the people would have bought it there and stuck with it forever. Disney, I sold it at 129. It's 126, so sometimes you lose, sometimes you make some money. Yeah, the market is not really on the good path right now. So we'll see in the afternoon. Usually I don't like to bet on the bet, you see, because day trading is kind of betting, because most of, I would say like 99.9% of my investment are in blue chip, which I don't look into them. But the market is, I don't like doing day trading when the market is going down. There's too much uncertainty, and even if your stock is a good stock, you never know. Coca-Cola is interesting. It's a good buy right here. In fact, right now at 49.74, it is a good buy to make 10-15 cents right away. Boom, boom, get out. And in fact, this is tied anyway to the stock market. So it's a small day, $200, but $200 is better than nothing. It's 200 coffee. People in Quebec like to bet to talk about coffee. It's been a long time, so it's less. It's a couple of coffees per day. But that is what day trading is all about. Not only you have to look into the stock and the chart and all what is pointing about, you also have to read the news. What's wrong with this stock? What happened with DraftKings to drop from start yesterday 51.13, go to 52 and drop like this? It is day trading. Some days are good, some days are even, and some days are pretty bad. I was just lucky enough that I've decided to look at stock tweets to avoid making a mistake that would have been I would have been caught with that stock for a couple of days. Have a good day, and see you tomorrow morning. I'm not doing any day trading. I have a meeting. I'll probably do it in the afternoon. We'll see. See you.